Hello everyone, this is AB. See you again.
Yeah, I think some customer already knows us because we already have the six live shows in the September. This is the last one in
Yes.
September, but in October we will meet you again. And today, in fact, we already have the five. So today we want to make a conclusion about our product and our company so that the customer will have more idea and more information. Before we introduce our LED driver product, I would like to introduce you our company first because when you choose one supplier, I think that you are not only looking for the products because products everybody can produce it, and also you are very concerned the company's ability and the situation, right?
So Lily, you want to introduce our company first?
Yeah. Okay. So I would like to introduce our company first. In fact, our company is established in which year?
2006.
Yeah, we are established in the 2006. So we have the long history, in fact. And our company always the policy is the quality first, and later we will introduce you one by one. And today we are in the Shenzhen office. We have the Shenzhen office for the sales, and in fact our production is in Meizhou. Meizhou is belong to the Guangdong province. It's about 4 hours by car from Shenzhen. Maybe the customer will say, "Hey, why you choose Meizhou not in Shenzhen for the production?" Yeah, that's the good question. And in fact, because of the cost. Yeah. So AB tell us what the good side. We move our factory from Shenzhen to Meizhou. What the good side?
One side because the in Meizhou we have our own building in there because the whole building is ours. So we don't need to pay the rental fee to others. And the second good side is the cost of the people. So it's also we can just low down the cost for the drivers. That's why, and our price is very good for our customers.
Yeah, that's true. Because the factory in Metro is our self building. That means here you can see the fourth floor. The fourth floor always belong to us, and so that means we don't have to pay the renting fee. And you know, Shenzhen's renting fee is so expensive. And beside that, same as AB introduced just now, the labor fee also is very expensive in Shenzhen, but in Metro, so it's much cheaper and everything is much cheaper. That's why really our price at the same quality level is really very competitive. So if you don't believe, you can contact us to get the quotation. Okay. And besides, you will see we have the production line and also the SMT machine, wave surgery machine, EMS testing machine, and also the agent. The agent testing is very important for the ALT driver. Maybe many supplier will tell you, oh, our product will make the agent testing before the shipment, but in fact, maybe no. Who know? I think the quality will say the truth. Uh, but for us, we make the 4 hours testing, agent testing before the shipment, and we don't let even one single pieces go without the agent test, because we know exactly the quality is very important for the customer. We don't want our customer face the problem because we are looking for is the partner, not only one-time business.
Yes.
Yeah, and yeah.
So and also now is the COVID-19, so we are sincere to invite our customers to visit our company and also our factory, so you can see our quality and also can see our company very clearly, so you know us more better.
Yeah, that's true. In fact, before the COVID-19 happened, we went to many the exhibition, the lighting exhibition like the Hong Kong Lighting Fair and the Poland Lighting Fair and the Thailand Lighting Fair. So, but the so pity right now because the situation is not allowed. But also there's this good chance now we have the chance to meet you guys here. And maybe you are not feeling so good because it cannot be face to face, but at least now we have the one channel to see each other. And I believe the situation will be better and better, and later we will back to normal same as before. Then welcome visit us and welcome visit in our booth when there's the lighting exhibition. Okay. Just now we talking about our company is the self building, and that's why the price we can be under control. In fact, not only that, the important also the material. You know, when we're talking about the price, the material, somebody will say, "Oh, you give me the cheaper price. Maybe the quality also is not good. The material is not good." No, if we choose the cheaper one and the quality is no guarantee, how can we survive in these years? So, I think just talking the people will not believe, but you can try our sample and to see, and also later we will introduce our products for you. Then you can have more informations. Another question maybe the people will ask, oh, your factory is 4 hours far away from Shenzhen. So how about your delivery time? Maybe you need more time. So maybe introduce about our delivery time.
Usually for our standard items, we will make the stock for our materials. So for the usually for the sample order, the delivery time is about 3 to 5 days, and for the bulk order, the lead time about 10 to 50 days. So it's also very quick, and you don't no worry about the lead time in Meizhou. It will be longer than in Shenzhen.
Yeah, that's true. In fact, not only that, maybe the people say, "Oh, you don't produce here, you cannot make it a faster delivery." As just now the AB introduced, we can do it because we have the stock. We make the regular item in stock, and we have the warehouse in Shenzhen office. So when the customer confirm the sample, we can send immediately. No need to wait until goods from the major factory to here. So you don't worry about that. And beside that, and every day we have our truck to send goods from major to Shenzhen or to the warehouse the customer appointed. So you don't worry about the delivery. We can be the faster as you think. And maybe you will think, oh, right now the material problem all over the world, especially in China, the price increase and also the delivery time is much longer than before. Yeah, that's true. That's really true. This is the critical year for all, but thanks our boss have a very good eyes to prepare the material and arrange everything before all this happen. So our delivery time is much better than the others. So many customers they are very happy, especially they say, oh, I really thank you very much, I have a project now, I don't need to worry about the delivery. So I think still need after we cooperate, and then you will believe what we say. Okay, and I think that also you get some news in these days that China have the new policy to control of the energy consumption. I think you already got some news from your suppliers. Some area they make the 2 days working and 5 days off. How to control is controlled by the electricity supply. This is a government decision, and we cannot control it, and we cannot do anything, right? But really, we are very lucky. As I told you, our factory is in Meizhou, so we don't face this problem. We don't face this problem. So I think maybe some customer they was buying from Shenzhen or Zhuhai or Dongguan or Guangzhou or some other place. They already got this news. This is really bad news. But for us, as our factory is in Meizhou, we can continue to produce. Right now, we don't get the news from government that this one policy will affect us. I hope this will be keep going on.
Yes, also will keep you more happy.
Yeah. Okay, so all of this introduced, I think you already got some idea. Oh yeah, I forgot to introduce how many staff we have. We have the 150 workers in Meizhou, and we have 10 sales here in Shenzhen. And we have the engineer, it's 5 engineers. So, and also we are very happy to get some OEM and ODM request from the customer, because we are very flexible to cooperate with the customer always. Yeah, that's the information I would like to share with you. After you already know our company, I think you would like to know some about our products. So let AB to introduce some products for you.
So it's my turn now.
Yes, it's your turn.
Okay, so now let me show you the LED driver first. Oh, sorry. And you can see here. Can you see? Also here. So you can see now in the table total have 3 series of the LED driver, and this is the small mini LED driver non-dimmable size, and you can see the size is very mini. And also I can show you the size here. It's just about 19 mm the height, and also the width.
AB, maybe here is more clear for the customer to see.
Yes,
Yeah, you can
it's
see.
also the
Yeah,
you can see.
this is the size for this model.
Yes,
And this very popular because the small size. And yeah, you can introduce the power and the good side for this product.
yes. For this product, the power range is from 6 to 30 watt, which is the same size, and also the input voltage is wide range. It's from 100 to 240 volt. So, and also for this size with the 3 years warranties and the constant voltage type 12 volt, 24 volt, we both have. And this is the connect.
Yeah.
You see?
And in fact, this one is the terminal. It's the terminal side.
Yeah.
AB can show to the customer.
This is the terminal.
Yeah, and the input and output is at the same side. It's
Yes.
at the same side. You can see from here.
This
Some
is
customer they prefer at the same side. Some customer they prefer in the different side. So, but this is more option for you.
yeah.
Yeah.
So it's for the mini size, and for this size we already exported a lot to our customers, and also have been the good feedback. You can see, and also the price is very competitive. You see, and this is the PCB design. Yes.
This is the size, and also the price is the good price we can for your reference. Okay.
You see?
Yeah.
And for this one is the size
The 31.
31. Yes.
Yeah.
And this is the PCB design. Can you see? And also for this is the mini size LED driver. Another also very small series is this one. And you can see here, and we have a family. This is 6-watt. This is 6-watt. And this is 12-watt. 12-watt. And also this is 18-watt. 18-watt. This one is the 60-watt. You can see here. And also it's a very small and the whole family here. And also I can show you the terminal. This terminal is with the different size. Not it's different with this one, and this one the terminal in the same side, and this one is the different side. Can you see? This is the input, and this one is output side.
And also this one is one family just now AB introduced. You can see from here. This is very small size. Is the 6-watt only, 6-watt, and the one is the 12-watt and the 30-watt up to the 80-watt. Yeah, it's one family.
Yes, and I will show you the PCB design. You can have a compare.
And beside that, maybe you can see our housing. The housing is the plastic. This plastic is the PC. PC material is original, it's not the recycled one. So this one is the fireproof. Fireproof, so you don't worry about if some problem happen, then there's big risk and dangerous.
It's a little hard to open it.
You want to open to show to the customer here?
Oh.
Yeah, we already have opened. This is the inside. You can see the PCB inside. Just now we show you. It is the inside stuff. Why we can share you the open frame? Because we are very confident with our design and our quality. And this one is with the CE passed. From the design, you can see the component, and the engineer, when they see it, they can know, oh, this is a good design, it's a mature design. Yeah, that's true.
And it's really CE.
Yeah. Okay. Keep going on.
Okay, and for this series, the power range is from 6-watt to 80-watt. So you can see the range is very wide, and you can use many different voltage as you need, and for your lights or and other applications. And this is a mini, and this is the second series. And also we have the slim type LED driver, and you can see here. And for the slim type, we have different cells, like depend on the power factor, like 0.6, and we also have 0.9, and also with the single input range, and also the wide input range we have, because as our Sun Europe customers, they don't need the wide range, so we adjust the PCB design into the single range. And for this one, and you can see is another new PCB design, and with the single range, and also the small voltage is also the 8-watt. 8-watt, you can see it's very small, and you can compare.
And the thickness for this one is only 14.
So it's very good, right?
Yeah. Some people, they are looking for the slim type, extra slim, so you can choose this model.
Yes, and also for this 20-watt is also very thickness.
Yeah, you can show to the customer.
Yes, it's also about 15.
Yeah, 15 mm only.
Yes. And for this power range from the 8-watt to the 60-watt. For this power range to the 60-watt, and but for this, as I said, we also have the depend on the power factor. So this one is high power factor is up to 0.9. So the power range is up to the 80-watt. So you can see here. And all of this slim type LED driver with the real CE, and we also special applied the TUV for this one, these families. And you can see the certificate. And we also applied SAA CITIC, CTUV laws, and FCC ETO with this series. So you can try to our samples and to check the quality of your market.
Maybe the customer would like to know whether we can make their logo and also their model number. Yeah, you can give the introduce for the customer, okay?
Yes, for sure. And you can see all of our LED driver with the laser printed with our logo and also the item number. And also we can change to your own, like you prefer to with your own logo and the item number or the label design to your own. We can accept because we have our own laser machines, so we can laser it even one pieces and for free, no need extra cost. And it can expand your brand and also the market with your own logos. So it's very good, and also our other customers very like it, and it's also a very special customer service.
Okay, and just now the AB already introduced the three type of LED driver from us. This is the mini, very small one. Yes, mini one, and also this one is another series. Belong to the mini from 6 watt to the 8 watt, and this is the Ultra Slim. Ultra Slim is also from the 6 watt to the 8 watt. All is in the plastic housing, and with the 3 years warranty. The input voltage is from the 100 to the 240 volt. Yeah, so that means you can use in anywhere.
Yes.
Okay, and just now also we talking about this is our real CE because also some customer they face the problem is not the real CE, so we don't want the customer to face this. As I told you, this is the real CE. And in fact, just now we mentioned we can make your logo and also your model number because some customer they don't want to show to their customer they buy from where. So we would like to protect our customers' benefit. Like some customer is come from the eBay or Amazon, they buy from us and we make all is their information, then they can sell on the eBay or Amazon or other platform. Yeah, we always full cooperate with the customers, as I said. And also each one the single pieces we package is with the white box. Each one single pieces with the white box, and also we can make color box if you have the requirement. In fact, we have some customer they request the color box because they are the distributor and reseller, so they need to make a beautiful package and then sell again, make it more sales. So we can make the color box as you want, and you just tell us what you want to show there. And also we can put the menu inside if you want. As I told you at the beginning, always we are full cooperate with the customer. Just the one target make you have a good sales.
Yes.
Okay. This is this part of the product. If you want to have some more idea about the size, about the quality, about the price, and about the sample, about the delivery time, everything, just send a message to us or send an email. Then our sales team will be within half an hour. Will be reply you.
It's the first time.
Yeah.
And and this is serious. You can leave a message if you have any other questions. And the next Lily will introduce you another product. It's also our very hot item. Is the cabinet LED driver.
Yeah. Before I introduce, maybe you can see here. See the photo first, and later I will show you the product. Yeah, this is the cabinet LED driver. You can see how many ports it is, and so that means it can connect different lights. Okay, from here you can see, and this is the input cable, the plug, and here have more clear photo for you.
You see?
Yeah, clear photo for you. Same as just now we mentioned this one, and here, yeah, how to connect. Just one driver, you can see you can connect how many lights. One driver. This is just for the convenience. The people is easy to assembling. And also this one is the cable for the input cable. And now I will show you the real product. Okay.
Okay, so you can see the picture first. And now is the product here.
Yeah. Here. And also this series we call it is cabinet LED driver. So means this one is very suitable to use in the cabinet. In fact, it's not only cabinet, just we said this is normally the people would like to put there. And here you can see it's also one series from the 18 watt up to 100 watt. Can see, and maybe you already noticed that this is the black color. We can make white color and also the black color as you want. And also you can see we already laser the information inside. And so much just now we introduced, we can laser your logo and also your model number here. Okay, this one, as I told you, what the difference between this one and also the Ultra Slim just now we introduced. The important is this one have, you can see, different ports. Like this one have the 6. This is 18 watt. 18 watt have the 6 ports and have the one main sensor control. And later I will introduce you how it work for the main sensor control. Okay, yeah. And this one is the 30 watt. Also have the 6 output. And later I will introduce how it connect with the output, because some customer they will feel confused. Just now I said this is for the input, the plug. Just now there's one, yeah, this one. We can supply this plug with the LED driver. So when you got it, it's easy for you. Just connect, then plug on the electricity socket. That's it. So and also the plug, we can offer all these plug as you want. UK, USA, EU, and China plug, all is available for you. You just tell us what you need. And also the length. Normal lead we offer is 1 meter. You can request a 1.2, 1.5, or 2 meter, whatever you want. Okay, so this is the plug. I said this model is very convenient for the people when they got it, and easy to assemble it. And you can see the one driver, so you don't have to 6 lights by 6 drivers. You just one driver and then to drive all these lights. Okay, and this is the 100 watt. Just now I show you. You can see 100 watt, how many ports it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means it's 10 ports. You can connect 10 lights if you want. And also with the main sensor control. Okay, later I'll show you. Before I show you that, I would like to show you the open flame design. This is the open flame design inside, and you can see the material and also the component. Also, this is a real CE. It's really past the CE. The efficiency is more than the 90 percentage. The people knows that the efficiency is very important for the LED driver, because efficiency high is means the temperature is lower in the LED driver and the lifetime will be much longer. So efficiency is the key. When the people they say, how about your quality, how about the lifetime, how about the warranty, first you have to ask them, what about your efficiency? If the efficiency is low, you can be sure the lifetime is not so good, because as the people know, the capacitor is decide the lifetime of the LED driver. I mean, under the condition that the design is good and mature and no any other problem. So it is the capacitor to decide the lifetime. And the capacitor lifetime is very big relationship with the temperature. the temperature. The temperature is higher, for example, 10 degrees less, and the lifetime will be double. For example, now the temperature is 85 and the lifetime is 20,000 hours. But if the temperature is 75 degree and the lifetime will be 40,000 hours, it's much bigger difference. So we are very confident to say we make the 3 years warranty. It not means we only can guarantee 3 years. We said it's minimum can work in 3 years. In fact, if under the good condition, the driver can use even 5 years, is no any problem for the good design with the quality components. Okay, so and also you can see the heat sink. We use the very big heat sink just to be sure the temperature inside can go out fast. And also the transformer. The transformer also is very important. I think the people know it, and we use the pure copper to be guarantee the quality, the temperature, everything is in the best situation. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let me show you how it work for this cabinet LD driver. In fact, I'm very strongly recommend this model is because this model is really convenient, and also our this series is different with in the market. In the market, maybe some customer already know it, the not real CE first, and also some quality, the temperature is really too high. But we faced the problem before, but after we improve, now it's very stable, and we are very confident to introduce to our customer right now. Okay, let me show you how it works for this type of cabinet LD driver. Okay, I will show you. Yes. Just now I told you this one is the cabinet LD driver. I already connect. You can see this is the cabinet, the connector here. Okay, and I just need to plug in. Abby, my mobile is ringing. Please help. Okay, so you just see when you got the LD driver, and maybe some customer they say, how can I get this cable? Yeah, this is also is a very good questions. In fact, if you can get it by yourself, we can just only offer the LD driver for you. But if you would like us to supply all the accessory for you, we can do it for you just for your convenience. And also you can tell to us what the lens you need them. So when you got it, you just simply to connect with the LD strip. Okay, so this is the I show you the connector. Yeah, maybe you will say, oh, what's this? This is so complex. In fact, it's no complex. Also, this one is only the LED here. I will show you here 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah, the connection also is similar just now here. This is without the sensor. This one is with the sensor. This is called door sensor. What does mean door sensor? Because this is for the cabinet. When you want to open the door, and then there's light on, and you can see what you want inside. And when doors open, and then the lights off, so you can save the energy for you. Okay, so this is not complex, but later I will show you how it work. Okay, this is with the sensor, and this is just now I talked to you is the main sensor control. What does mean? Because I told you here have the 6 ports. If everyone you want to control the separate, yeah, you can everyone with the one sensor. But if you want all the 6 lights controlled by one sensor, that's it. So one sensor control all the 6 outputs. Now let me show you how it works. And yeah, beside that, here is the input. I told you when you got the LD driver, you just need to connect with this plug. Now yes, this plug you can choose a different type based on your country's request. And also the length, you can choose based on your request also, maybe 1 meter, maybe 2 meter. Yeah, so when you got it, just easy to connect it. Okay, and just I show you here already connected with the main control sensor. Okay, and here I want to show you connect one light, LED light with the sensor separate, and one I will connect only the light, not any sensor connect anymore. Okay, so now let me show you how it works. Okay, let me plug yes. Already on. Yeah, on, and this one, but no problem, just put it. Yeah, this is the main sensor I told you, but one moment, maybe the connection here is not so good. Let me do the connection here. Just now it's already taken out. Yeah, the connections. Just we make it this afternoon, so it's not connect well. Yeah.
Maybe this one is okay.
1 minute. Let me try here. Oh, here also is disconnect. Yeah, it is work. A minute. Let me make it more strong. Okay. Okay. So I think now you can see the light is on. Yeah. The people here. Let me make it more. Yeah. The people can see the here. Okay. As I told you, this is the main sensor. Main sensor I put it here. So when I make this is the wave, hand wave sensor. Okay, I wave the hand, all is off. Two lights. One is with the sensor, one is without sensor. All is off. So I hand wave again, and now it's on. So that means this connection. This is the main sensor can control all 6 outputs together. On, off, whatever you want, you just control it by yourself. Okay, but if some ports, as I told you, there's a 6 port, but some ports, if you want to make control separate, okay, you can do it. So same as I show you here, now it's on for the main sensor, all is on. But I told you here I have another separate with the separate sensor, is door sensor. Now if I make the door close, see, one light is off, this light is off, but it's no effect that light, because the main sensor is on the situation, is on, is at on. See, this is the separate. I can control by separate sensor. That is, I said that the customer is very flexible to choose whatever they want. If they just need one main sensor and others is no need with the sensor, they can directly to connect with the LED light. But if they want to separate to control it, just each light with one sensor, then he can control by himself. This is called wave hand. Sorry, this is door sensor. Like here, my hand is the door is closed. Okay, lights off. Door open, and then you can see inside whatever you want. Okay, and yeah, this is I want to show you. I think that the people already got some idea. Let me power off now. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Okay. This is the cabinet LED driver, how it works. I show you just now. In fact, it's not complex, not complex really. Just simply say 6 outputs and one main sensor, and one main sensor control all the 6 outputs, and also the 6 outputs can be separate to control by itself if you add one sensor for the single output. Okay, that's it. If you don't understand or have some more questions later, you can leave the message or send the email to us. We can talk more in details, and also we have some more videos and can show you, so you will have more idea. Okay, now let's welcome AB to introduce another very popular item, this model. Okay, welcome AB.
Hello, so it's my turn again. Okay, so let me first arrange the LED driver first. You can see. Since every time I have many products,
Yeah.
it's terrible.
Because our company already in this industrial area so many years, sure our product is with the wide range, and that is good for the customer. They can choose, have more option, right?
Yes, for sure. And also you can see this time I want to introduce all its linear shape. And first, this is very, can you see here? It's the whole family. Can you see? And this is the whole family. It's very linear, and the size is a very long shape. And the power range is from 18 watt to 72 volt. Wow. So, and also all its the constant voltage is for the 12 volt, 24 volts, and also for the input range is also the wide range is 100 to 240 volt. So you can use in the Europe or the USA market, both are okay. And also you can see for the input and output side, we all connect the wire. This is our standard items. Even when we arrange the shipment, it also can meet this issue, like you can see. And the package for this one is a white package. It's also the white package, and we also can change to your own color box or with your own logo like this way. You can see. And the housing is aluminum housing, but this is the IP20 LED driver. It's used for the indoor applications as like the LED furniture and all other have the long linear LED lights. And also for this series driver, we also can accept with your own logo and also the item number. But for this driver, as the housing is not good for the laser printed, so all we use the sticker and with more best look. You can see here, like this way. For now, we already shipped many to our customers, and usually the month about I remember it's 20,000 a month. So you can see it's very popular item. But for this driver, without the certificates but the price is very good. So that's why we already exported a lot. And this is our one series, and the second, you can see this way, it's also the plastic housing, and also this way is the IP20. And for the power range from the 30 watt to 150 watt. So it's very good, right? As some customers is more looking for the high power, but with the IP20 rates, and it can use for the indoor or other applications as you need. And you can see this one is the 31. This is the 31. You can see size and show you the size. It's about also about just 19 mm. You can see. And for this one is the 61. You can see this is the 61. And also for this one is the 101. And also this one is the 151. So you can see the all. And you may notice about for the terminal plastic house. The cover is with this color, but we also can do the white color as you need.
Yeah.
So we have the two colors
like this. This is
yes.
the white color. Yeah, as you like, or maybe green, blue, what color you want. Just tell us. But this is have the if you need another color. So there's MOQ. MOQ is 5,000 pieces. If you just take our regular, the white or the orange,
yes.
So there's no MOQ request.
And also you can see for this product, this is the terminal in here. It's also with different sides. This is for the input side and also for the output side. Can you see? So it's very easy to connect the wire and for the install. Okay, so I also want to show you the PCB design of this series, and you can see this one is also the 12 volt 31. This is the 31, and you can see the background. It's very clean, right? You can see this way. And also this is the 31. Also this one is the this is the 31, and this one is 24 volt. 24 volt, can you see?
Yeah, and all these LED driver we not only can make a 12 volt, 24 volt, also the 36 volt and the 48 volt.
Yes. Also this is the 101. So you can check our PCB design if you are an engineer and now also is looking our live shows, so you will be very happy to know us as our PCB design is very good. You can see here. But if you are the boss, so you are very lucky because you can recommend us to your engineers. You can find a good suppliers. So you can see here. So it's all of the PCB design for this series, and for this series we not only have the non-dimmable, and we also have the dimmable range. For the dimmable range with the check dimmable LED driver, and also the 0 to 10, 1 to 10 PWM, and also have the daily and push 2-in-1 dimmable LED driver. We also do this five dimming ways in one LED driver. It's called the 5-in-1 dimmable LED drivers, all with the power range from 30 watts to 150 watts, and with the constant voltage 12 volt, 24 watts, 36 watts, and 48 watts. So and if you want to see, and I will show you the dimming functions of our dimmable LED drivers.
Yeah, okay. So I think before you introduce, and also you can give some good idea what the difference are the dimmable and them other people's dimmable. Okay.
Yes, for sure.
Just now you mentioned is the 5-in-1, right?
Yes,
5-in-1. What does mean 5-in-1? That means 5 dimming way in one driver. You can see it's check, and also 0 to 10 volt, 1 to 10 volt, and PWM and admission. Okay, so this is 5 dimming way in one driver, and later we will show you. Okay, yes. And also this is important. It is the flicker free.
Yes.
Flicker free. This is important. You can see the flicker free when use the camera to see the light. If there's the flicker, you can see here the flicker. But the flicker free, you can see, oh, it's very comfortable, right?
Yes, because it is without the wave, so it's very good to protect our eyes, and also it's very with good situations like in the hospital they will ask the high performance with the flick free because they need to protect their eyes.
Yeah.
So we always provide the customer who working with provide the driver to hospital with the flick free light tech.
Yeah, that's true. And also the dimming range. And I think that the people, when they buy the dimmable LED driver, they are very concerned on the dimming range. Our LED driver, the dimming range is from the 0 to 100%. Yeah, the dimming range is very good. And besides, also here you can see the combined compatible with the 90% dimmer brands in the market. Also, this is important, especially for the check dimmable LED driver. Now, the whole world cannot solve the problem for the match with the dimmer. So our LED driver can match 90% dimmer in the market. And so for you, it's more convenient and more comfortable to use it. Okay. And besides that, this is our this is important.
Yeah.
The loading. The loading, it is from the 10 to the 100% loading range. What does mean? For example, now you got our 100 watt LED driver, the dimmable one. You can load the light only 10 watt. From 10 watt to the 100 watt. The dimming function all's good. Yeah. But maybe you already know in the market, many people, they will suggest you load 70% to the 100%. For example, you buy the 100 watt LED driver. So he say, oh, if you want to have a good dimming function, your load have to be the 70 watt to the 100 watt. But this is, it's not so good for the customer use, right? Our product is very proud of it. It's the loading range from the 10 to 100%. Yeah. And now this is the good function we introduced for you. So, and besides that, we also here. This is the PWM output. What does mean? That means our technology for this LED driver we use is the PWM output to be sure the color temperature of the light will not change during you use it. Because now some dimming, if the technology is not the PWM output type, so the color temperature will be changed. For example, now at the 100% brightness, it is the 3000, and but when the 50% maybe only the 2500. So the color temperature will be changed. That is not good for the LED light. So for our driver, the technology we use is the PWM output does not change the color index. Okay. Besides that, you can see we have this model. This model is a very high quality and strong recommend model. So we have the 7 years warranty. We can guarantee.
Yes, it means you can also match the 7 years warranty LED lights.
Yeah, and yeah, there's another also is very important since it is you are very surprised, right? For the check dimmable, how can you make the input voltage is from the 100 to the 277 volt? Yes, we did. This is our good advantage. For the check dimmable right now, you can see all the people, they will tell you, your market is the Europe, okay, it is the input voltage from the 180 to the 240 volt. And if your market is the North America, and then your input voltage will be from the 90 to the 130 volt. But we make the check dimmable with the input voltage from 100 to the 277 volt. this is make you exciting. Yeah, you can try, and maybe you say really it is work at the 110 volt and also the 180 volt and the 240 volt. Yeah, you can try by yourself, even the 277 volt. Yeah. Okay, this is the good side we introduced for you. Yeah, and also here we can show you.
Yes, for the 5-in-1 dimmable LED driver, we not only have the linear shape LED driver, and we also have the compact LED driver, as you can see the picture and the white color, and also the aluminum housing with IP67 waterproof.
Yeah, and also later I will show you the junction box type later, because now it's the time to show you, because I introduced so much the good side for the dimming, for the smooth and the loading and everything. So now I will show you how it work and how it good. Okay, I think it's from here, right, Ivy?
Yeah, here.
Here you can see this is the, let me show you this model. This is the linear type. Can you see? This is the linear type from the 30 watt, 60 watt, and also the 100 watt. And here is the the dimmer. I can show you how it works. Yeah. You can see the light.
It's more brightness.
Yeah. Now I can make the brightness is less and less, and then you can see how it works. Okay. Yes, here. Now you can see the brightness is small. Now I start to brightness on. Can you see? Very smooth and without any flicker.
And no noise.
Yeah. Now it's the measurement, and it is have the memory. If now I power off, and when I power on again, you will see it is at the same brightness.
Yes.
Yeah. So that means it is have the memory for the brightness.
And also you can see in the whole dimming without any color change.
You can see it now, right? Brightness is less and less and less until it is off. So now it's off. Okay. Yeah, I think that the people should be try by yourself. Otherwise, you just look in and then, oh, not so clear. Yes, that's true. You have to do it by yourself, and then you will be happy for that. Okay. Now is, yeah, just now AB introduced all this model is for the linear type with the non-dimmable and also the dimmable. Dimmable, we have the different, have the check dimmable 0 to 10, 1 to 10 daily and push, and also the 5-in-1 dimmable. All we have, as I told you, because we are in this Dutch area so many years. But maybe just now AB introduced this type of models for you. This is from the 18 watt to the 72 watt. In fact, maybe you ask me what the good side for this one. I will tell you the good side is the price. The price is really good, really good. You cannot imagine how good it is. Why the price is so good for this model? I can tell you this one is very popular in the Brazil. We sell a lot in these countries, and the people, the customer, very happy for this, for the price, also the quality. Sure, if without the quality concern, whatever the price, how cheap, nobody will buy it, right? So I think for this model, if you are also interested, because the size also is very small, if also you are interested, you can contact us to know the price, how good it is. And for the models, for the plastic housing, this is the aluminum type, okay? For the plastic linear type housing, we have the non-dimmable and also the dimmable. The non-dimmable just now also we show you our open flame, the design, how good it is. Really, we don't save the money for the quality. And we don't want to save it, even we want to give the good price, but the quality first, as we told you. So this model, the good side also is the maximum we can reach to the 150 watt in the plastic house. maybe you don't like this color, change it, no problem. Okay. Yeah, that is the spinner type LED driver. And also I told you this kind of the plastic housing is the PC material. This is very important. PC and it's the original, it's not the recycle. We must be sure it is the fireproof level. Okay. Yeah. This is the other models you introduced here.
Yes.
What the next?
The next is the round shape LED driver.
Yeah,
Yes.
round shape. Yeah. Round shape LED driver. In fact, this type of LED driver is not so many customer requested. During our experience, not many customers ask for the round shape, but still have some customers they would like to get the round shape because of their lights have the minimum, the limited for the size, so they have to use the round shape type. And our round shape type LED driver have the good size. First, sure is the size. This is 20 watt. Sorry, 20 watt. 21, and I want to show you what the diameter here. Let me show you. 65, only 65, and the height 20. This is the 21, and this also have the dimmable and also non-dimmable. Dimmable have the check dimmable 0 to 10, 1 to 10 daily, all the dimmable. The normally in the market we are available for that. Okay, this is the 40 watt. Because now I tell you the size, maybe you cannot remember it, but later you can send a message. We can give you our e-catalog. E-catalog will show all the information, and also we can send you our price list. You can have the more idea. And this model also is the high PF. PF is more than the 0.95. It's high PF and the high efficiency. The efficiency is more than the 85%. You know, for the small size, it's very difficult to make the high PF and also the high efficiency, because of the size limited. You cannot put so many components to reach the high PF and high efficiency. And this is the 40 watt. The maximum that we can make is the 80 watt for the maximum. And this one I will show you, it is the check dimmable model. And also this model we can make your logo and also your model number same as other models. And also now today I will show you the dimming function for the round shape. This also is the one family. I just show you some, and later you can get the information by email, the e-catalog, and also the price list. You can get it. Okay, so now I will show you. This is check dimmable I told you just now, and we already connect with the LED strip and also the check dimmer. This is check dimmer is very popular in UK. Okay, yeah. Now I plug it on. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. No problem. Okay. Yeah. Now I will show you the dimming function. Now I use this is the check dimmer, and the lights now is on and more brightness. And during this period, you can see there's not any flicker and very smooth, really smooth. Not like some other LED driver. Maybe suddenly it is brightness, or suddenly it is the darkness. But our LED driver for the dimming, really, we are very proud, and the customer, they are really happy for that. Now I will make the dimming is less, the brightness is more less. Yeah, maybe from the video you cannot see very clearly, but here, yeah, it's less and less. Okay. So also, I told you just now, you can try by yourself. We have the sample. We have the sample available for you. And if you request a sample tonight, I will give you the free sample. So get a chance and send the message or email to us or inquiry from the Alibaba. Okay. I think you already see, right? Really, it's very smooth. It's not like the people they face the problem. Maybe they just adjust a little bit and then it reach to the maximum the brightness. But we are not. We match with the dim together. When you turn and the light give you the action at the same time. Okay, that's it. That's the okay. Power off here. Yeah, and beside, I will tell you. Just now, I told you this one have the different the certificate. This model also have the different certificates, and here you can see we have the TUV certificate. Can you see here? Maybe it's too small, but no problem. I told you. Today we just give you some lovely idea about our product. Uh, for more information, must be have the more conversation. And I can tell you, our sales team is really excellent. Always respond on time and with the patient, and also with the professional. So we can give you the different idea, and also we can have a very nice talk. Whenever you have the question or want to talk to us, you can send the message or even call us. I think you already know our English is not so bad, right? So for the conversation is not any problem. I hope to get your inquiry or message, and I told you you can get a free sample tonight if I get the message from you. Now it's AB turn again. Because today is just me and AB.
Yes.
Last week was Vivian and
And
Sally. Yeah. So we change. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Everybody have the chance. Okay.
And also, we already introduced about for serious early drivers. And if you have any questions, you can leave the messages, and our colleague will contact you immediately. Okay, so and also you can leave the message after these live shows. Please keep looking for these live shows, and we will have the big surprise for you guys. Okay, so it's my turn now. And you can see this is in my table. And here, this is our new items. And you can see here. You can see. And in my last product, I introduced you the 5-in-1 lean shape. And for this one, and I also want to introduce you the mini size, also with the 5-in-1 dimmable LED drivers. But first, I want to introduce you another item with the mini check dimmable LED drivers. You can see here. And I think everyone knows check dimmable LED driver is widely used in many applications, like at home or other LED lights, and it's very widely used. So, but now more and more customers will ask for the size request, like I want to know if you have the mini size to install with very small space. So here it is. Our engineers is designed a new one. You can see this is very small, and for this one, this is 61. It's 61, and we also have the 96 one, and also it seems like 101 is the same size. You can see this one. I can show you the measurement. You can see the maximum is 25. You can see 25 wise, and the high also the 25, and the length is 83. You can see it's 83. 83 is 83 with the 25 and the 25, so it's very many, and it also can use the very many applications like you want. And also you can check for the input side and output side. We already connect the wire, so you don't need install the with the screw again, so it's already connected the wire. And also our standard item is like this, and with the white box for the shipment, so it's very inconvenient, right? And for this one is the check dimmable LED driver. It's with leading and trailing ELV and MLV both match. You can see here. And also this is a constant voltage. For the constant voltage type, we can do 12 volt, 24 volt, 36 watts, and 24 watts as you need. It's not only for the 12 volts and 24 watts. But for this type, it's only for the American market. It's for the input voltage is 120 volt. So it's only for the USA market. But please don't worry, we also will in the future we will have the design for the European market. And also you can see the certificate, and you can see here, can see it with ETL, CE, FCC, and the others. You can see here. And also the whole we use the sticker. And we also can laser print it with the laser machine with your own logo. But you can choose each one is your prefer. So it's for the check dimmable LED driver, and also for the efficiency is up to the 89%, and for the power factor is up to the 0.95. And also for the dimmable LED driver, and the two very important points that our customers are more concerned is the loading and dimming range. And for our dimmable LED driver, and the loading is from the 10 to 100%, and for the dimming range it's from 0 to 100%. Also, as Lady said, for the last 5-in-1 linear shape LED driver, and it means 100 watt LED driver, you can load from 10 to 100 watt LED lights, and you can save you much cost of the LED driver. So you don't need each LED light with one LED driver, so you can use one LED driver to connect different power as you need. But the power of the LED light needs less than the LED driver. And also for this driver, and you can see we also match about 90% dimmers, so we already tested and it works very well. But if you need, we can send the dimmer list as we already test to you for check, and you can have a better check for our dimmers, and you also can send us your own dimmers for us, and we can adjust with our driver with your dimmer. It will very more better for you. So, and also I want to show you this dimming function for this mini LED driver. But as I said, this is the 120 volt. So here I don't. So here now I can't show you the dimming function directly, but you can check. You can check if you need a sample. We can share the sample to you, and you can check in your countries, and you can see our quality and the dimming function is more better, I think. And also the next. So if you have any questions about our mini LED driver check dimmable, so you can leave the messages, and I can show you the video after this live shows, and also more like the price and the data sheet for your reference. Okay, so next I want to introduce you another new item. This one, you can see, it's also very good looking, right? Here, first you can see, this is the 5-in-1 dimmable LED driver, but with compact size. And you can see it's very good, all white, and I think many customers will like this housing because it seems very clean and also very simple. And also most of our customers more like the white colors. So first you can see the design is the white colors, and second, maybe you already noticed with the holes. And this hose is for the install with the walls, but you can see these two holes with different direct. You can see this one is this way and this one is this way. So why we design it in this way? Because you can see when you use the driver already connect with install with the glue and fix in the wall, but you want to change, and not now you no need to turn out again. So you just turn the driver, and it can take out, and no need to turn around the screw again. So it's very convenient and also very easy to use it. And this is the special design for it. And second, and you can see this have the two cover, right? Two cover, and this big cover is only for the driver, and this cover small driver is for the terminal of the input side and output side, both in this cover. So now I open this one. It's also very easy. You need to use this screw and this way. Then you can see it's very easy, right? And for other, and you can see, oh. And also for others, you can see, and this is the input side, and this is the output side, and you already see it's very special, and because you can see this way. What's that? What's the function of this one? And I can show you, like when you need to use the cable, like if you use this cable, and you just first we need to take this out. This one takes out. It's very easy, right? And now we connect the wire. Okay, we connect the wire like this way. So we connect the wire this way. And now we take it again. So we just put it, and can you see? And the wire is fixed, and now we can close it So it's very more better housing, and also the more better look. So it's one function of this way. And the second, now we open it again. And now we take it out. So you already mention this one, and you can see this is a very small green one, and also the black one here, and the green one is here, green one, and the black one. So what's the function of LAN? And you can see now. I think many customers will know in the most of LED drivers will have the adjustable screw. What means adjustable screws? It means for like this one, this driver is 24 volt. It's 24 volts constant voltage, but and you can use the adjustable screw to adjust the voltage from 23 to 25 volts. And because now in the market some lights is not full with the 24 volts sunlight, like maybe 23, and all others like maybe 23.5, or others like 24 volt, 24 and 24 volt 0.5. So in these situations, we just need to adjust the screw to adjust the output voltage to match the LED lights. Then it can protect LED lights the lifetimes, and also can adjust the LED lights the brightness become the perfect. So this is the function of this small screw function. And another one is the black one, and the black one. You can see this is the black one, and let me show you the black one how we use it. Like for this driver is 24 volt and 81 and 81. So now for this driver we don't have the loading limited, but for some LED lights they have the current limited. So when you use this driver to load with 81 and the current is 3.33, so it's okay. You can just select the level 1. The level 1 is the current is 3.3, but when you load with the lights with the 2.71 current, and so you just need to select to the level 2, and also the LED lights will be protected. So also when the lights is the current is 2.29, so you just to select to the level 3. Level 3 is both way to connect to protect the LED driver and also the LED lights, and also the brightness of the LED lights is very more better. So in this way, this is 1, 2, 3 special design in this terminal covers. And also for this way, so you can see, so also we have a very special design, like if you want to connect the like 5 volt fan with the driver together, and also we can add an interface for you, so you can connect the fan and also the LED lights together, and you can save your cost and also the energy. So it's at least one way. And also for this driver, and you can see the power range from 21 to 81, and this one is 21. This one is 21. This is 21. And for this one is 81. This one is 81. And for this series, we are not only have the constant voltage, we also have the constant current. And the least one is the constant current. Is the constant current is for the 2.2 M, and the voltage is from 30 to 42 volt. But we also for the constant current, we can do your own specifications. Just need to show to us, and we can adjust to yours. And for these LED drivers, not only for the USA market and also for the European market, we have the input voltage from 90 to 130 volt, and also we have the 180 to 240 volts. So both USA market and for the USA market, both we can use. And for the warranty, for this warranty also matched to the 7 years warranties. It's matched to the 7 years warranties. It's very high performance, and also with the high efficiency up to the 90%. And for the power factor is up to the 0.95. Is 0.95. And also for the dimmable LED driver, and also we have the loading range and the dimming range. For the loading range, it's also from the 5 to 100%, but for the dimming range is from 0 to 100%, or it's the same as like other dimmable LED drivers. And but when you use this 12-in-1 dimmable driver, and when you use only check dimmable LED driver, our engineers recommend that you can load with 70 to 100%, because in this loading, more than like when you use 100 watt LED driver, when you load more than 70 volt LED lights, and the dimming functions will be much better, and also the dimming is very smooth and without any flickers. So is our recommend, but you also can load with the mini load as you need. But for the other dimming ways like 0 to 10, 1 to 10, you can dim any load as you need, and the dimming function always the same. And without any flicker, as I said, the flicker free don't have the wave, and it can protect our eyes and is more better. And also like some countries like the Russia, they will ask for the HPF is up to the 0.9, and the high efficiency up to, so it can grow up the electricity rate for the using. Okay, so for this driver, and also it's also the PWM output. It's also the PWM output, and for the PWM output, it doesn't change the color of the LED lights. Like your driver, your lights is the warm color is the 3000, and it can keep it all the same. It's also to protect LED drivers. So now I want to show you the dimming function directly, and you can see dimming is very smooth. You can see this. We arrange the input side with the input plug. And for this plug, we can change to your own self to match your countries, like EU, AU, US, and the China plug. It's also both okay, and also the lens can be customized. And here we can already connect the input side and output side be already connected. And in this live shows, I want to show you the check dim check dimming functions. So in here already connect with the check dimmer in series on the input side, and for the output side we already connected with LED strip light. Can you see here? LED strip light here, and this is LED driver. This is the driver, and this is plug. Now we power on. Okay, so and you can see the lights. It's very brightness, right? And we just again turn around and more and off. Okay, it can be off. It can be off, and again you can see. And also, if you want to the driver stay this way, you can just use the also the adjustable screw with of the dimmer. You can see here. You can see. Now I use the screw of the dimmer. You can see. So also this driver, all the dimmable LED driver have the memories. So we stay this brightness, and now we turn off the dimmer. And now we turn on again. So it can stay the brightness as we off. So it's very good. Like even when you go out and you want the my home with the LED lights, and when I come back and with the lights again, so it's very easy. So you can see the lights. Okay, so it's for the check dimming functions, and also check dimming functions you can use the leading dimmer or the trailing dimmer as you need. But now for this one is the leading one. Leading one is because from one of our customers from the UK, he showed us the dimmer in this way. So now we power off here. Okay, so this is the dimming function of these 5-in-1 dimmable LED drivers. And also, for these LED drivers, as the power range is from the 21 to 100 watts. So all is the class 2 unit, class 2 LED drivers. And also for this mini size, also is the class 2, or is the class 2 design. And for this driver, we now is applying with the UL certificates, so it's a very big surprise for you guys, right? And also, as this is the PWM output, so with the PWM signal frequency with from the 100 Hz to 2000 Hz. Also, this LED driver has a very special design, like when the temperature is more higher, so then the driver itself can check it, and also it can automatically to lower down the temperature as it needs. So it can also protect the warranty and also the lifetime of itself. It's also very special design, and all is the information of these 5-in-1 dimmable LED drivers. And if you have more, you want to know more information, and you can leave the messages, and we will show you the more and more. And as I said, one is the design is white color, and two is the hole with different light. direct, and it's very easy to install and also to take out when you already done. So the third one is this small functions, this one, and also this adjustable screw and the 3 power levels as you can choose. And also not only this special design, we also do the high efficiency and also the high power factor, and also the warranty is up to the 7 years warranties. So it's all with very high performance. So you can try our samples, and also we are applying for the UL certificate, and all with the real certificate for you guys. So if you have any questions, you can leave the messages.
Okay, I think AB introduced the new product, make you very interesting, right? Really, this is a very new product. First, this one is mini. This is the maximum power is 96 watts with this size and check dimmable. And the price is good, very good, because this is a very major product and we can control all the costs in the minimum control. So you can get the sample to check the quality. I think you will like this model. And besides that is this type of model, and you can see just now she show you this is the no need the screw to open the cover. See, it's easy. It's easy. Just here have one lock. You just put down and lock it, and you don't need the screw to fix it, the cover. Okay. And the function, I think just now AB already introduced, so I don't repeat again. And if you want to get more information, you contact us. Okay. This is a very new item, and you will be happy for get the information of it. Okay. This type.
So next is your turn.
Yeah, it's my turn again because we need to get some rest, so we have to change. Okay. Now my turn. Let me introduce the Johnson box. Johnson box. This kind of model is popular in the North America. North America is very popular for the Johnson box, and because this is a request, I think by the countries. What does mean Johnson box? In fact, also the driver is inside of it, and all the cable have one space to put here. So after you connect with the output and input and all the connection is inside of this box. So for you just see the only cable, no any connection. So this type will be more safe. And for the Johnson box, we have the different model. This type is you can see the cover is separate. This is one cover for the LED driver. There's another small cover is to cover the cable for the connection. And you can see here have the hole, and how we fix it I will show you. Let me show you. This is a big one. Yeah, this is the outside cover, and this is the, you can see just now I show you, and we open here. Just want to show you the inside how we make it. You can see this is the silicone glue. This is silicone glue is not just for the waterproof, also is for the heat distribution, because the heating is very important. Always I said, when you to estimate or analyze the driver is good or not, the temperature is one very good factor to decide it. So we use a very good quality of the silicone, not like some is cheaper one and the heating is not easy to go out. Okay, so I show you here, and here I have one small cover. Then we cover the driver inside, and this is the cable for the connection. So let me move it down. And here is the cable. This is for the input, and for the GND ground, this is for the output. And you can see here have this part. This part is used for what? And you can see, because I told you all the connection, the input output is finished and then put in this small hole, and then it is go through this hole with this part to be sure it is fixed enough. Okay. And also when you order the Johnson Box LED driver, you can request to gather the accessory together if you want. If you can buy from the local, you can buy from the local by yourself. Yeah. And here you can see the knock have different. Maybe you want to knock from here, or here, even the side here or here. So for you, you just need the screwdriver or the hammer, just knock it and then it is open. So you can do the connection and then the cables go up. So after finish all this, and you just need to cover the driver part, and then the foot. So it looks beautiful. You can't see anything inside, just the one Johnson box, and then the cable come out from the hole which I show you with this part to fix the cable. Okay. And maybe you will ask for so this one is the Johnson box is the waterproof grade. Yeah, this is the IP55. So you can choose this model for the dried and dammed locations. Yes, you can put in the dry and the dammed locations with the Johnson box. Yeah, and this model also we have the different model from the 30 watt up to the 385 watt, and all is match the class 2. As I told you, this model specially is for the North America. So North America, they will request the class 2 UL and the ETL and so on. So all this one is the class 2. Maybe you ask, how can you reach the class 2 if the power more than 100 watt? I will tell you, because we make the output is independent. Independent means we make each output is less than 96 watt. So if you want the higher power, so means the output will be more. Maybe it's 2 channel, maybe it's 3 channel or 4 channel. This it is depend on your power, the power you need. And this is already is passed the ETL. It is the ETL approved, and it's good news that we will get the UL in October. We will get the UL. I think the UL will make the people so happy, right? Because the UL can more people to feel confident for the quality, and also can get some refund from the government project. Okay, and this kind of model, we have the non-dimmable and also dimmable. And dimmable also we have all the dimmable type. We have like we said check 0 to 10, 1 to 10, PWM, and the potentiometer. All we have. And you can see here, this is the cable. This is the 5-in-1. This model is the 5-in-1. So you can connect with the check dimmable in the input side, and also you can connect with the 0 to 10, 1 to 10, and PWM, and by the output side. Okay. Yeah. For the Johnson box, I think the people they know in the market many they use the material is the metal cell, but we use is aluminum. because aluminum is more good quality, more protection. The metal cell after use for a long time, will be rusty, right? Rust. So we choose the good quality. As I told you from the beginning, our company always is looking for the high quality and also the high quality customer as well. So this kind of models we can offer is 7 years warranty. And with the protection, all the protection we have, such as the short circuit, over temperature, and also the overload, and all we have. And also the good sides which we introduce when we introduce the linear type, LD drivers, dimmable type, all the good side we have in this junction box, because the technology is the same, just in the different housing. Okay. Yeah, also this is one kind of the junction box. You can see, as I told you, here is the separate one small cover to the driver, one small cover is to the cable, and here is another model, is only as one small for the driver, and also one big one to cover all together. So all are available for these two. But another one I want to introduce is this model. This model I don't want to give many information in the live show, because frankly we have the competitor also, they are watching our live show, and these new items we don't want to show to our competitor and don't want to copy by them. It's simply to say, okay. And what the good side for this housing, and maybe you will say, hey, what the difference? Okay, I will just show you the easy way. And this one can be opened like a door, you can see. Okay, this is one, and another, you can move it. So because some people, they say the finger is no space, if too narrow, so you just remove it. Okay, this one can be removed. Okay, and still have some more function inside, like to move this shape to get more space when you assemble it in the input, and then move this sheet to another place, and then the output space will be bigger, because the customer sometimes they will say, hey, the hole is too narrow, our fingers too big, we cannot connect inside, so we find a way, and this is very good idea. And if you're really interested for this type, and you can contact us. I don't want to show more here now as I already explained to you. Hope you can understand. Not easy, right? Because the engineer spend a lot of time and energy to find a good way and a better way, so we don't want easy to lose this advantage. Hope you can understand and support us. Okay, this is very good new housing. If you want to get information, you just say, I want to know the new function of the junction box housing, then I will give you the more information and the documents. Okay, yeah. Besides this one, yeah, this is very simple, but the good side for this junction box is very small. You can see the size is very small, and you can see inside. The inside this is for the ground. Okay, inside here we put the LD driver at this side, and then with the silicone glue, and the input cable we connect from this side. And here have the 3 holes. You can get out from where you want with the input cable. So the output here, you can see this is the output hole. So the output hole will go out directly the cable. So this is the difference with this model. This is different because this one, the input and cable, also the output cable, both in the box. But this one, only the input cable in the box, and output cable can go out directly outside, because some customer, they think the size is too big, they cannot fix it, and the output size normally only is 12 volt or 24 volt. It's the low voltage, so it's not so dangerous as the input side. So that's why they can accept the output side with the cable go out and put the side to put in the box. Okay, this is also is a very good design because the size is really small, so you can choose which is more suitable for you. We have the different option, and also we have the another model we didn't prepare in this showroom. Is the metal, and you can put the waterproof LED driver inside, and with the metal the junction box that is separate is another type, similar like this, but that is much bigger size because that one is especially for the waterproof, is more better. You just put the waterproof LED driver inside and then cover. Okay, yeah, this is the Johnson box type models I want to introduce. And as I told you, the difference between ours and other people's. So you can get the information, also the sample. And all this type of the Johnson box, we will get the UL in October. So you can try the sample first, and after you test the sample, at the same time, it's Good News Can, and you approve the samples, and then we get the UL. Now we have the ETL, don't worry. No means we don't have any certificates for the North America. ETL, we already got it, just the UL is undergoing. Okay, yeah. I think this is Johnson box I want to introduce, and the next AB again. Okay, let's welcome AB again.
Hello. See you again. Okay, so what's the product I want to introduce you this time? You can see here. You can see this is also is new item for the dimmable LED driver, and this is the 5-in-1. And also you can see is the size is very slim, and for this one the driver is 100 watt. It's 100 watt 10 kilowatt, also the constant voltage. But we also can do the constant current. We just want to show because for the constant voltage is more standard, and for the constant current we can change to your own specifications. So okay, you can see first this also with the whole, and for this dimmable driver we have two different design, and this one is also the dimmable LED driver. You can see this one is the thickness is more higher, and this one is the more thickness. You can see. And for this one is the 31. It's 60 watt, 24 watt. And for this one is 100 watt. It's 100 watt, you can see, right? It's just a little longer than this one. And for the label, or we can laser print it, and also for LED driver with our own logo, and also the item number and the certificates and other informations on here. And we also can change to your own. And for the terminal, and you can see for terminal, and this is the input side, and for this one is the output side. For the output side, we will have the dim wire, and for the dimming functions. And for this one, we can see this. We also have this one. We also have this small screw functions, and you can adjust the voltage to fit your own LED lights. So it's very convenient. And also you can see for this one, it's also we have the screw. In all of our dimmable LED drivers will have this screw adjustable, so you can adjust to your output voltage. And you can see, and this is a very special and new design, and also the housing we already applied to the applying for this housings. You can see because it's our own design. And for the dimmable, for the check dimmable and 0 to 10 dimmable, 1 to 10 dimmable, for check dimmable, we also have the leading and the trailing edge, both we can match, and so you can use leading dimmer or trailing dimmer as you need. And all of them with the wide range of like 100 to 277, and we also have for the Europe market like 200 to 240 watt. So both we can do for your guys. Also, this type with the high PF 0.95, and also the high efficiency, and also the warranty is 7 years warranties because it's our new item, and we want to provide our customers with more higher performance LED drivers. So now our LED drivers most is the 7 years warranties, so it's very long lifetime, right? And you can see. And also for all our LED drivers, like the dimmable LED drivers, I already show you the dimming function for 5-in-1 or the check dimmable or others. You can see our dimming functions is very smooth between